Hello, and here's one called A Visit to Earth. The spaceship landed in an open field where there were no Earth people around to see it in this remote area. They landed without fanfare. All four got out. Since they didn't know where they were or where they would go, they started walking. Miles later, they came up on a site in a concreted mall parking lot. What's that? Junior stared in wonder at the lights and the big wheel that went round and round in the air. Don't know. What planet have we landed on? Mother asked. There were people milling about. There were lights, people laughing, the odor of popcorn and hot dogs and cotton candy. A kind of festive music kept playing over and over. They walked closer and closer to this. They saw kids with stuffed animals, tents, lighted rides that went round and round. People were throwing balls to knock down milk bottles and shooting basketballs into tiny hoops. People were trying to toss rings into the necks of soda bottles. What are these people trying to do? Sis asked. Where are they trying to go? Looks to me like their spaceships are all over the place in pieces. Look at that great wheel with seats attached. It keeps going round and round in place, Dad said. And the people seem satisfied that the wheel is not going anywhere except round and round. Look how they are smiling and laughing. Up in the air and onto the ground, over and over, and so many of them. Mother said, Look, it stopped. People are getting off, but others are getting on. I'd like to tell them that they aren't going anywhere except round and round. All they have is a giant wheel with lights, but it's attached to the ground. Quick as one gets off, another gets on. They seem to be happy about not going into space, Sis said. Junior noticed the stuffed animals and the smiles on the kids' faces. They at least look like they are enjoying it, though. Mother decided they should all go closer and see if they could help out. Let's see if we can get going into let's see if we can get them going into space. We made it this far. I don't see why we can't help these folks, though there must be hundreds enjoy space travel. The ones on that giant wheel at least have gotten off the ground. They've gotten off the ground, but everything here is secured to the ground. They will never take off like this. It's as though they planned it this way. It's as though they were enjoying the idea of space travel without actually going anywhere, Dad said. The four of them walked into the carnival. Everyone stared at the visitors from space. Some remarked what good costumes they had. Thanks for listening, folks, and take care.